Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your Amazon password if you've forgotten it. This process is quick, easy, and shouldn't take more than a few minutes. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the sign in button, usually at the top right corner, and click on it. This will take you to the login page. Here, you'll be asked to enter your email address. Make sure to use the email linked to your Amazon account because this is where all the reset instructions will be sent. After entering your email, click Continue. Next, you'll see a link that says Forgot your password. Go ahead and click it. You'll be prompted to re-enter your email address one more time. Once you do, click Continue, and Amazon will send a security code straight to your inbox. Head over to your email and check for the message from Amazon. Sometimes it might take a minute or two to arrive, so be patient. And don't forget to check your spam or junk folder just in case it lands there. Once you've got the email, open it and grab the security code. Return to the Amazon page and type in the code exactly as it appears, then click Submit. If the code is correct, you'll be asked to create a new password. When choosing a new password, make sure it's unique and strong. Combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Now that your new password is set, go back to the login page and sign in using your updated credentials. If you often forget passwords, consider saving it in a secure password manager so you won't run into this issue again. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Amazon password. If you ever forget it in the future, just follow these steps again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share this video with anyone who might find it helpful. See you in the next one.